Assalamu alaikum. Said Mazhar Islam from Mr. IT. My nickname is Bima. Uh, Today I will going to share first day basic to advanced Mikrotik tutorial. Yeah, in this tutorial, I will show you each and every part of Mikrotik router, how to use this router. I in, in this tutorial, I will use a virtual lab from EVNG system. You can also check my others video here. EVNG, you can see how to install, download and install EVNG uh, system, and how to Mikrotik router, and how to set up your own platform. And there you can use multiple router to test virtual environment. If you do not have any router, no need to purchase a router for your practice Mikrotik router. So I going to check out my system. When you connect a Mikrotik router from LAN port or WAN port, each and every port are same for a Mikrotik router. In this tutorial, I'll show you RB450G for testing. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all port are same for a Mikrotik router. When I want to configure a Mikrotik router, I need to download Winbox. So first of all, I go to microtik.com. There, Microtik software. Then I will click on software. Then I will download Winbox 32 or 64 bit. How to test it? If my PC configuration Windows 32 bit, I have to download 32 bit, or if my operating system 64 bit, I have to download. How to know? If I click Windows plus R key from my keyboard and type dxdiag, uh, sometime I have to wait for it. Uh, here I can easily see my Windows 10 Pro 64-bit. Yeah, my operating system is 64-bit. I just download 64-bit for version for my PC Windows version. Uh, I already connected a router from my PC in this PowerPoint. Just showing how to use Mikrotik, download Mikrotik from Mikrotik website. In this slide, we can see using a cable from my laptop, Ether cable to Mikrotik Ether port. When I connect this type of mm, disable port from my laptop to Mikrotik, I have when I go to neighbor refresh, I will see a MAC address from Mikrotik. But I using a EVNG emulator for my Mikrotik training purpose. I do not have a hardware here, but I using a Mikrotik for EVNG platform. Mm, So when I log in a Mikrotik router, I just click on MAC address. Login password will be admin and password will be blank. Just go to connect. Here I open router port option. Some previous configure in my uh, some previous configuration was there. Just delete it. Just deleting it. Okay, already deleted. Okay, firewall net. No, check. Okay, when I open a Mikrotik router, Winbox from Mikrotik router, it will show this type of panel. Uh, if I want to see router uptime, I have to click upper right button of the mouse At time it will show router time. When I add date, it will show date. When I add CPU, it will show CPU utilization, router code. And memory, it will show its RAM. And also uptime, at uptime it will show its uptime. And if I go to the packages, it will show the which package I using. Here I using stable version 6.4.83. It's latest version. If it's not latest version, so check for update, click and download, install the package. It will download and install latest version of package. And if I go to interfaces, it will show how many router interface, like also how many ether port or SFP port are connect, SFP port there. um, uh, Actually my router have, um, go to like Windows, others changes. If I uh, select using advanced mode, I can save multiple router mode, like my group name and others name can easily identify my group or router name. I can select a multiple router, and if I auto saves, it will save my router history, where I store my router identity and many of them, many of them. And also I can set up my own session and restore my session. Open a new tab. When I using this router, I can also open a others router without closing it. And here you can see a new Winbox button. If I click a new Windows button, I going I will see another Winbox pop up. So this one router. And also if if I go to the license, it will show my license. I using micro CHR version. It's free. If I using a router, it will show license level, which one I using, level 4, 5 or 6. uh, that's it uh, for Winbox, how to use Winbox. uh, Thank you for watching.